I told Phil I'd get him a picture of some birds. So this zoom thing works pretty good if I could keep my hand steady enough. I should have got the one with the viewfinder. Where'd that bird go? Let's walk around the back. I had it on all zoomed all the way out, so you really couldn't see the fence around the pond or the weeping willows. Now right before I was looking out my window and I was talking to Phil on the MSN, and a red and orange bird flew between this tree here and that tree there. So I was kind of hoping to come out and see somebody up in the trees. Instead, I'll just have to show you the terrible disrepair that the pond is in right now. See that white pipe over there? The water's usually up around that high. And we usually have some mallards back here. Well, usually there's a whole slew of birds out here, and now there's not. So I will thank you for your participation and me learning about my new camera and how to use the zoom. And I know it's going to take a while. I'm sorry, you're going to have to put up with that. But I think after I do, we're going to get some really great vids in New York if I screw around enough with it here at home. Make a couple of nature vids like that. And practice putting them up. I already said thank you for your participation, so I'll see you later on the tube.